Hello, lovely student. Welcome to my series on strings. And today we're going to be looking at lesson 4, how to find a position in a string. So to find the position in a string, we use the pos function. I've created variables, s-line, s-country, and both these variables are of data type string. And I've created ipos, which is going to keep track of the position of the comma in the line. So I have a string called s-line, and this line is storing the name of the country, followed by a comma, and followed by the number of software developers in the country. So I want to find the position of the comma in this particular example. So using pos, what am I searching for? What am I searching for? I'm searching for the position of the comma. Where am I searching for? I'm searching for the position of the comma in a variable called s-line, which is my string variable. So again, pos is called with two parameters. The first parameter is what am I searching for, and the second parameter is where am I searching for it, in what variable. So remember, pos finds the position of a searched character or substring in a given string, but it will only give you the first occurrence of that searched character or substring. So pos again is a function called with two parameters. It returns a value. It stores it in an integer variable. ipos is declared as an integer data type. So it returns the given position. Remember, we talk about index when we talk about a string. So this particular string, which is stored in a variable called s-line, starts at index 1. At index 2 is the letter S. At index 3 is the letter A. And at index 4 is the comma. So in this example, pos will return found at position 4. It will return 4. In the next example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the position of the comma is found in position 6. So for this test case, pos will return 6. Let's look at this example. I'm finding the position of a searched substring. So it's not a single character, it's many characters. So I'm finding the position of a substring in the string literal Spain. It will give you the position of the first character of the searched substring. So I'm looking for PA. It'll give me found at position 2. It'll return 2. ipos will return 2 in this example. Here I'm finding the position of a character in the string literal. And in this string literal, I have 2 such characters. So pos will return the position of the first occurrence of the searched character. So a string starts at index 1, 1, 2, 3, and it's going to give me 4, found at position 4. I would like you to try this for yourself. So get out a page and a pen and try and evaluate what the value of I position will be in each case. Here we're using pos to find the position of the letter C in the string literal. Here we're finding a substring, the position of the substring in the string literal. And here I am finding the position of the number 2 in the string literal. I would like you to figure this out. I haven't given you the solution and I haven't spoken about it yet, but try and think about what will happen if 2 is not found in the string literal. Pause the video, evaluate 3 different examples, and then follow me for the solutions. So in the first example, I'm finding the position of the letter C. In this string literal, C is found 1, 2, 3. So it's found in position 3. In the next example, I'm finding the position of a substring. And remember, it'll give me the first character of the searched substring. So G is found at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are on 7, 8, and 9, but will return the position of the first character, which is 7. In the next example, I'm searching for the character 2. And if I look at the substring, if I look at the string literal, it does not exist. So if the character that I'm searching for does not exist in the string literal or in the variable, pos returns 0. Let's take a look at some Delphi segments of a program. Follow me on Delphi. Okay, so I created a Delphi project and I called it Find Position. I've got a label, a t-edit to do user input, a rich edit to display, and a button where I'm going to manipulate using the function pos. So this program, all it's going to do is I'm going to enter a full name. So let's create a variable and let's call it S full name. And the full name is of data type string. I'm then going to find the position of the space in the full name. So I'm going to create a variable called iPos, and remember, pos returns a value as data type integer, and it'll give me the position of the first occurrence of the searched character or substring. I've got a full name. I'm going to extract the first name. So let's create a variable called first name, and I'm going to extract the surname into 2 separate variables from the full name. Okay, so let's go and enter the full name from the t-edit. edt full name dot text. Now I can find the position of the space in the full name. So iPos, assignment statement, using pos, remember pos is called with 2 parameters. The first parameter is I want to find the position of the space in S full name. So it's going to give me the position of the space in S full name. And remember, the space is a character in a sentence. It's a character in string handling. Now that I got the position of the space, we learned copy, and copy can extract the first name. So let's go and get the first name, S first name. And how do I get the first name? Using copy. So I want to copy, and remember, copy is called with 3 parameters. So I want to copy from S full name. Okay, I want to copy from S full name, start at position 1, And how many characters do I want to copy? I pos -1 characters. So let's take an example. It's best to look at an example. And let's look at my name, Tracy Naidu. So I want to find the position of the space. The position of the space is going to be in my name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The position of the space is going to be at position 7. Do I want to copy my first name including the space, or do I want to just copy only my first name? So because I want to copy only the first name, I want to end at the position of the space -1. So hence, I'm copying from the full name, start at position 1, and give me I pos -1 characters. So it'll give me the position of the space is found in 7. I pos -1 will give me 6. So it's going to copy 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, copy where I want to copy from, starting position, how many characters. Pos, also a function, sends in an argument called with 2 parameters, what I'm searching for, where am I searching for. Okay, so it's what I'm searching for and where am I searching for it. So now we can now go and copy the surname. So let's copy the surname. Using copy, let's copy the surname. Right, so to copy the surname, what I do know is the position of the space. And in this example, the position of the space is in position 7. So I want to copy from his full name, and I want to start at the position of I pos +1. Note again, let's go and get that. I want to start at the position of the space +1. So I'm copying from the letter N. And remember, copy is called with 3 parameters. But if you call copy with 2 parameters, that is where I want to copy from and my starting position, and I don't stipulate the 3rd parameter. Remember, the 3rd parameter is how many characters. If I don't stipulate how many characters, it'll copy from there to the end of the string. So you can call copy with 2 parameters. So let's display. I'm doing it on a red output. Red output .lines.add, and let's do some display. So I want to display the full name entered, and I want to display the first name, and I want to display the surname. Okay, so let's click on run. Let's enter a full name. I will enter my name. And using pos, I wanted to display my full name. I wanted to extract my first name, and I wanted to extract my surname. Thank you, learners, for listening. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and follow me on my next video.